Hey, thanks for joining Uncle Mike for this review of the day trading session today, March 24th, a Tuesday. Well, starting out of the gate was not good. We started out with a 2-point loss, so we dug ourselves a hole, which we had to get out of. And that was in the regular session. Pre-market, we did have a counter trend trade for a point. So we were 1-0 in the pre-market session. After we had a little scale, which is on the other chart. At 9:59, we did have this long on the 1K that we were in, and at 10:35, we actually got in a 3K. Didn't work. Almost got our point. We were within a tick of getting our target. It came back, brought our stop down because we were going sideways and there was some time decay, and we decided that the best thing would be bring it down to a point, so we lost a point on that one. So we had one for a 1-point loss and one for a 2-point loss today. Then later in the afternoon, had to wait a while. They were, of course, having the hearings on TV, so that did take away what we could do because of chop, basically. Forgot to circle the first one. Let's say 133. Okay, there it is, 33. Okay, we had this on the 1K. We were in, hit our targets, 1 and 2 points, and we were out on that trade. And then we bring into view our last trade of the day. We had this 3K, and boy, that was testy. We came within a tick of being stopped out. We had a 2-point stop. Came down because of time decay and going sideways. We brought our target to 2 and 3 points. It took us out in 2 and 3 points, and darn it, if we'd have left it, you'd have seen we'd have gotten our 5. 5 points was down here. We would have gotten the 5. But hey, we took our money and put it in our pocket, and we were all set. So to recap, let me bring just a little bit in focus here. We were 5 and 2. Let me bring it over. There we go. We were 5 and 2 for the day, 3 contracts, $500 for the day following the trade management. If you were all in, all out, $350. So that was seemed like a tough day. It was a long day because of the chop we were going through. So thanks for joining me, and be sure to stop by tomorrow if you're interested. I will be closing the trade room pretty soon. We're halfway to our goal of members of 50, and we will be closing it, and there'll be the charter members in the inner circle of the day trading room for with Uncle Mike. So visit the site teachtalktrade.com and take a test drive of a 7-day free trial. Thanks again for joining me, and I'll see you tomorrow evening.